Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and anyways new to my channel, welcome to my channel. My name is Adesh, and on the channel I am making the videos regarding electronic stuffs. So in the previous video, of course that is my first video, and in that video I have did the unboxing of this Arduino UNO microcontroller. So if you didn't watch my first video yet, then here you will get the I button, you can go and check it out. So in this video I am going to build a small electronic project using this Arduino UNO microcontroller. And the name of this project is Sequential LED Blinking. So I have divided this project into three parts. In the first part I am going to show you what are the components required to build this project. Along with this, how to connect this Arduino with breadboard and how to mount the different electronic components on the breadboard. After this we will move on the second part. And the second part I'm going to show you how to program our microcontroller by using Arduino IDE. After this we will move on the third part, and the third part is more interesting because in that part I am going to show you the live demonstration of this project, and we will see at different values what output we got. So let's begin. Now let's see what are the components required to build this project. So first we required Arduino board, then we required 4 resistors having the value of 100 kilo ohm, then we require breadboard, then USB cable, then we required 4 LEDs and some jumper wires. Now let's do the connection. You can see here on this Arduino board we have digital pins, that is ground, 13, 12, 11 and 10. Now what I am going to do is that I am going to insert one terminal of a jumper wire to the ground terminal, okay, and the another terminal of a jumper wire I am going to insert in the negative terminal of a breadboard. Okay. Now let's mount the resistor. You can see this resistor. So insert one terminal of resistor to the negative terminal of a breadboard and other is to the C terminal. Okay. Now mount the LED. You can see here this LED having two terminals. So this long one, that is positive, and this short one, that is negative. So first insert the negative terminal and then positive. Okay, done. Now connect the pin number 13. You can see to the positive terminal, that is terminal C. Okay, you can see here in this manner. Okay, so same process we need to follow for another three. Okay, like first insert the resistor, to the first negative, okay, to the C terminal, then LED, first negative, then positive, then pin number 12 to the C terminal of a breadboard. Now third one, resistor, okay. Now LED, this negative, just 1 minute, this terminal goes into the blue terminal. Okay, now this one, negative first, then positive, then pin number 11. Okay, pin number 11 to the C terminal of a breadboard. Last one. Okay, negative and C terminal. Now LED, first negative, then positive. Now pin number 10 to the positive terminal of a LED. Okay, so in this manner you need to do the connection. You can see here in this manner. Okay, now let's connect Arduino UNO board to the computer. So I have this data cable, so connect one terminal to the Arduino UNO board, okay, and other terminal to the PC. You can see here the LED is on and it indicates that our Arduino UNO board is successfully connected to the computer. Now let's program our microcontroller by using Arduino IDE. So this is my computer screen, you can see. Now I'm going to open the Arduino IDE. So it's opening, initializing packages. Okay, so this is the interface of this Arduino IDE, you can see. So we have different options like file. In that we can create a new file, or if you have a file then you can open a file. Then examples, we have different types of examples like basic, digital, analog, etc. Edit option, then sketch, you can verify or compile your code, then upload into the Arduino board. Then the tools, you need to select your Arduino board because different types of Arduino boards are available in the market. So I have Arduino UNO, so I have selected as Arduino UNO. Okay, now help option. So this tab we have for verifying our code, this tab for upload the code into the Arduino board. Now I have a file, I'm going to open from my file. So this is sequential blinking. Okay, so this is the code. So we have two functions actually here. One is file setup function and another is file loop function. So in file setup function I am declaring LED 1 to the pin number 13, then LED 2 to the pin number 12, LED 3 pin number 11, and LED 4 to the pin number 10. Okay, so this is a file setup function. In that we have a delay for each LED. You can see for first LED we have delay of 100 milliseconds, then after we have 100 milliseconds delay for second LED, then third and fourth. So same process is there. Now I am going to upload this code into the Arduino board. You can see here the green bar indicates the status. Okay, so our code compiled and uploaded successfully. You can see here the status. Okay, so after this we will move on the third part, and that is testing. Okay, now let's do the testing of our project. So on my right hand screen you can see the computer screen is there, and my left hand screen the output is there. Okay, so now I'm going to first compile this code. Okay, so done compiling. Now upload this code into the Arduino UNO board. Okay, so uploading also done. You can see the output on my left hand screen. Okay, now what I'm going to do is that in this while loop function I'm going to change some values. Okay, you can see here delay 100 milliseconds is there. It means that if one LED blinks, then after this 100 milliseconds the second LED will blink. Now what I'm going to do is that I'm changing this delay from 100 milliseconds to 1000 milliseconds. Okay, and let's see what output we got. Suppose I upload. Okay, now you can see the output also. The red color LED is blinking for 1000 milliseconds, and other 3 LEDs, okay, they are blinking for 100 milliseconds. Now same I am going to do with LED number 4. There is a 1000 millisecond delay is there. Okay, now I am going to upload this. You can see the output also. First LED and the fourth LED is blinking for 1000 milliseconds, and this LED number second and third one, they are blinking for 100 milliseconds. Okay, now also I am also changing the values. Let's do with this 100, let's say 10, and also 50-50. Okay, now let's see what output we got. can see the first LED, second, third and fourth. Okay, so there is a difference we are seeing. Okay, so this is all about the project, that is sequential LED blinking. So if you like this video, then please hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel. So thanks for watching.